Well, why do we care about beneficial ownership? Anonymous companies or companies for which there's hidden beneficial ownership information are the #1 vehicle for moving illicit money around the world. The #1 vehicle, not only for moving, but also for hiding that money. It happens in every industry, and it happens all around the world. So it's critical that we understand who is behind the companies that are involved in extractive industry deals if we want to know where the money from that extractive industry deal is actually going, and if there's corruption involved. It's a very basic concept, and it's a critical concept. It is key to really knowing what's happening to the money. So I'll start there. You know, this issue's on the agenda, the EITI in particular, because we've seen problems in Azerbaijan, in Angola, and in other countries where you didn't know who was behind a joint venture partner, and it turned out to be, you know, a government official, a politician, a family member, and there is actually corruption involved in a particular deal. So it's certainly come up in a clear context in many cases in the extractive industries. But on top of that, there is a real global movement to get behind the owners and controllers of companies